5 foods that literally clean your arteries. What if the biggest threat to your health was not a virus you could catch, but something you slowly build, meal after meal? Right now, inside millions of people, a quiet process is underway. It's called atherosclerosis, the hardening and clogging of your arteries. Forget everything you've been told about the damage being irreversible. Picture your arteries as superhighways for your blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients to every single part of your body. When these highways are wide open, everything is great. But trouble starts when a sticky gunk called plaque begins to build up on the artery walls. This plaque is a nasty mix of cholesterol, fat, and other waste products. Today we're showing you 5 powerful science-backed foods that do more than just nourish you. Talking about salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, and tuna. These fish are practically swimming in a special type of fat called omega-3 fatty acids, which are famous for their heart-protecting abilities. They actively support your body's ability to reduce plaque, lower bad cholesterol, and keep your arteries clean and flexible. First, omega-3 south are fantastic at lowering triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood that helps form plaque. Second, omega-3 south are powerful anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of plaque buildup. These compounds protect your arteries by reducing inflammation and fighting off damage from unstable molecules called free radicals. Researchers believe this is thanks to compounds called anthocyanins, which help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that's been shown to help lower bad cholesterol. It works by grabbing onto cholesterol in your digestive system and carrying it out of your body before it can get into your bloodstream. These are true nutritional champions for your arteries. This damage can injure the delicate inner lining of your arteries, making it a perfect place for plaque to start sticking. High levels of homocysteine can damage artery linings and increase your risk for atherosclerosis. By calming down that inflammation, omega-3 south helps soothe the artery walls, making them less prone to plaque. They contain a compound called sulforaphane, which research suggests can trigger a natural defense mechanism in your body that protects arteries from clogging. Studies have directly linked eating more cruciferous vegetables with having thinner artery walls, a key sign of healthier arteries. You can think of this gel as a cholesterol magnet. As it moves through your system, it traps cholesterol and bioacids, preventing them from being absorbed into your blood. Instead of circulating and clogging up your arteries, that cholesterol gets escorted right out of your body. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are the all-stars here. For years, nuts got a bad rap for being high in fat. But now we know they're full of the right kinds of fats, the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated ones that are great for your heart. A single cup of black beans can have up to 5 grams of soluble fiber. It can't reverse severe blockages overnight, and they're not a replacement for medicine your doctor prescribes. From the omega-3 south in fatty fish that stabilize plaque, to the antioxidants in berries that protect your blood vessels, it's about building a body that's more resilient to the very things that cause heart disease. From the nitric oxide-boosting greens that relax your arteries, to the cholesterol-grabbing fiber in beans and the healthy fat power of nuts and seeds. And do not forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, so you never miss our latest health tips. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these foods are you excited to add to your grocery list? Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. But think of them as your daily construction crew, constantly working to build and maintain a healthier cardiovascular system. Their real power comes from making them a consistent part of a balanced diet. Almonds are loaded with monosaturated fats and fiber, a great combination for lowering bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. No surprise that regular bean consumption is linked to lower LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and less inflammation, all critical for keeping arteries clear. These fruits are loaded with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, which are actually what give them their beautiful bright colors. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator, which is a fancy way of saying it helps your blood vessels relax and widen. This means black beans, chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, all of them. Their superpower is their massive amount of soluble fiber. This lowers your blood pressure, improves blood flow, and takes a lot of stress off your heart. They are packed with both soluble fiber and healthy fats. The fiber helps remove cholesterol from your body, while the healthy fats work to reduce inflammation and improve your overall cholesterol numbers. Some analyses have shown that flaxseed can effectively reduce both total and LDL cholesterol. They also help raise your good HDL cholesterol, which acts like a cleanup crew, grabbing excess bad cholesterol and carrying it back to the liver to be removed. When there's too much of it, it can sneak into the lining of your arteries and start forming that dangerous plaque. This is huge, because it's often an unstable plaque rupturing that causes the heart-stopping clot. By making plaques stronger, omega-3s south reduce the risk of that happening. In fact, some studies show that people who eat fish at least twice a week are less likely to develop atherosclerosis in their carotid arteries, which are the main arteries in your neck that send blood to your brain. For a long time, doctors thought this was a one-way street, but we now know that's not the whole picture. While no single food is a magic drain cleaner for your arteries, the right diet can help slow, stop, and even support your body in managing this plaque. These foods work by cooling off inflammation, lowering that bad cholesterol, and giving your body the tools it needs to repair itself. Stick around to see how these everyday foods can change the course of your cardiovascular health. It's a slow-motion disease that can eventually lead to a heart attack or stroke. But what if you could fight back? What if your grocery list was your most powerful weapon in this fight? Before we jump into the 5 foods, it helps to understand exactly what we're up against. This buildup, atherosclerosis, makes those highways narrow and stiff. The danger is twofold. First, the narrowing chokes off blood flow. It forces your heart to work overtime just to pump blood, which can cause high blood pressure. Second, and much more dangerous, is when these plaques become unstable and burst. When that happens, your body tries to fix it by forming a blood clot. If that clot blocks an artery to the heart, it causes a heart attack. If it's in an artery to the brain, it's a stroke. The main bad guy in this story is usually LDL cholesterol, or what we call bad cholesterol. Food number 1, fatty fish. First up on our list of artery powerhouses is fatty fish. So how do they clean your arteries? They work in a few key ways. Maybe the most impressive part is that research suggests omega-3 south can make existing plaque more stable. Food number 2, berries and citrus fruits. Next on our list is a whole delicious category: berries and citrus fruits. Research has consistently found a powerful link between eating lots of flavonoids and having a healthier heart. A large study found that women who ate at least 3 servings of berries each week had a significantly lower risk of heart attack. And citrus fruits, they have their own secret weapon: pectin. Food number 3, leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Our third category is all about the greens. We're talking about leafy greens like spinach and kale, plus cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. One of their best-kept secrets is dietary nitrates. When you eat these veggies, your body converts the nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. Leafy greens are also a fantastic source of folate, which helps lower levels of an amino acid called homocysteine. Then you have cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, which bring their own unique power. Food number 4, beans and legumes. The 4th food on our list is humble, cheap, and unbelievably effective: beans and legumes. Soluble fiber is a total game changer for cholesterol. When you eat it, it forms a thick, gel-like substance in your gut. And this isn't just a small effect. Studies show that eating just 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber a day can seriously lower your total and LDL cholesterol. Food number 5, nuts and seeds. Our final group for keeping your arteries in top shape is nuts and seeds. Walnuts are extra special because they are a fantastic plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which helps with inflammation and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Then you have tiny but mighty seeds like flaxseed and chia. Now we have to be realistic here. These foods aren't a magical cure. So there you have it, 5 powerful types of food to help you fight back against clogged arteries. Choosing to eat these foods regularly is a direct way to take charge of your heart health. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us know you want more videos like this.